Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramani. Let's get started standing up. We're going to face the long side of our yoga mat with our legs spread out wide. Place your hands on your hips and lean over to the left as you push your hip over to the right. And now send your hips to the back wall. Your back is flat. Elongate your spine. Send your hips to the left. Now you lean over to the right and push your hips forward as you lean back. And let's do that hip circle one more time. And now we switch directions, so we just have two big hip circles going towards the left this time. Let's push our hips towards the back wall, and we're going to come into our wide-legged forward fold, releasing your arms down. Maybe placing your hands on your yoga mat and relaxing your upper body. Keep your left leg straight as you bend your right knee, sinking deep into your right hip. And now switch sides, bending that left knee. Let's do that one more time. We bend our right knee and we bend our left knee. Come back to center, straightening both legs, and we grab onto our elbows for our ragdoll. Relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Breathing in and out through your nose here. Release your arms and walk your hands over towards that left leg. Maybe bringing your nose towards your left knee. Let's bend our right knee, keeping that left leg straight. So we're sinking deep into that right hip while feeling a left hamstring stretch. Straighten your leg, coming back to center as you walk your hands over towards your right leg this time. Bend your left knee, sinking deep into your left hip. Walk your hands back to center, straightening your legs, slightly turning the toes out, and we bend our knees, and we straighten. Again, let's bend our knees, and we straighten. This time, let's bend our knees all the way, maybe opening the legs a little bit wider, turning the toes out a little bit more, and resting our elbows on top of the thighs. And we're just going to rock from side to side. I do want you to make sure your spine is long, so you're not rounding your shoulders or your back. Come back to your wide-legged forward fold, straightening the legs, squaring the toes. And let's close our feet together. And just take a couple of deep breaths in your forward fold. Let's bend our right knee, feeling a stretch behind the left leg. And we switch legs, bending that left knee, straightening the right. Again, let's bend our right knee. And now we bend our left knee. Keeping your left knee bent, we extend our right arm up towards the ceiling, reaching up, opening the chest. Let's switch sides, bending our right knee, extending our left arm. Lower your left arm, and let's bend both knees. And we straighten. Again, let's bend and we straighten. We bend and we straighten. We slowly roll up to standing. Your head is the last thing to come up. And just give your body a few wiggles, a few shakes. Open your legs, placing your hands on your hips, and let's just do a couple of those hip circles that we did at the beginning. Let's close our legs together, bringing our hands to heart center. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.